All right, I'm back, and we are still in textbook Adobe InDesign Revealed Creative Cloud by Chris Botello. We're working in chapter 7, and we're starting out on page 7-26, creating polygons, circles, and lines. So on the Tools panel, we want to set the fill color to black and the stroke color to none, so we're just going to switch this around. And I'm going to undo that. And then I'm going to deselect everything on my artboard, and then I am going to change the fill in black. Colors. Then we're going to get the polygon tool. If you click and hold under the rectangle and the polygon tool will be there, and we are going to, you can either double click on it, or since my double click isn't working appropriately, we can click once on the artboard and that will bring up the dialog box that allows us to fill in the numbers. So we're going to type 8 in the number of sides. We're going to type 70 in the star inset button or space. And then we're going to click OK. And there is our polygon with 70% inset. We're going to go to menu on the bar. Geez Louise. We're going to go to window on the menu bar. We're going to point to object and layout. We're going to click transform to show the transform panel if necessary, and it is for me. Then on the transform panel, we're going to verify that the center reference point is selected. So the center reference point needs to be selected. We're going to type 1.25 in both the width and the height boxes. And then press enter or return. And then we're going to position the polygon in the top right corner of the page as shown in figure 41. We're going to deselect the polygon. We're going to change the fill color on the tools panel to yellow. So you're going to activate that, bring that to the foreground, and we're going to change that to yellow. We're going to click the ellipse tool. We're going to position the pointer at the center of the black star. Not sure how that got blue, but we're going to change that real quickly, all right? All right, we're going to change this back to yellow. And we're going to get the ellipse tool and position the pointer at the center of the black star. We're going to press and hold Shift and Alt if you're on Windows, or Shift and Option if you're on a Mac. And then you're going to click to draw a circle from its center. Pressing and holding Shift constrains the proportions to a perfect circle. We're going to click the selection tool and then click the paste board to deselect everything. That circle looks just a little bit too big, so I am going to Shift, make it just a little bit smaller. Okay, there we go. We're going to swap the fill and stroke button on the tools panel. To activate it, we're going to change the weight of the stroke to 4. I'm going to go to the stroke panel, change the weight to 4. We're going to actually click on that to make sure that it's at the foreground to activate it. We're going to change the type of the stroke to solid. It's already at solid, and then verify that the start and end values are set to none, which they are. We're going to get the line tool. We're going to position the pointer on the top edge of the page where the orange cloud graphic meets the blue clouds graphic. And then we're going to drag a diagonal line along the base of the orange clouds triangle. As shown in figure 43, or mine on the screen. Now we're going to place graphics in polygons. We're going to open the which file that we created. So we're going to do a file and open. And we're going to look for the Halloween witch and open that. We're going to select the witch graphic with the black selection tool, of course. We're going to copy it, Command or Control C. We're going to click Window on the menu bar. We're going to click Halloween Invitation. We're going to go to Edit on the menu bar, and then we're going to click Paste. Then we're going to position the witch polygon. I didn't know that was a polygon, but we're going to position the witch in the location shown in figure 44, or you'll see it on my screen in just a moment. You want to verify that the witch is still selected, which she is. We're going to click File on the menu bar. We're going to click on Place. We're going to navigate to the drive and folder where our Chapter 7 data files are. Then we're going to double-click the orange clouds TIFF. We're going to click the Swap, Fill, and Stroke button. We're going to change the stroke weight to 2 points. And then we're going to deselect. Your page should resemble figure 45 or mine on the screen. We're going to select the star polygon. And then we're going to place the blue clouds.tiff graphic in it. There we go. I couldn't see it because I didn't change the fitting on it. We're going to change the fill color of the star polygon to none. It's already at none. And then compare our page to figure 47. Or mine on the screen. Oh, you know, I had the wrong star. Geez, Louise, no wonder. All right, so we want this star. Sorry, we're going to go up here and click this star polygon, do a file in place. Sorry guys, take 2 seconds. We're going to go to Object, Fitting, Fit Content to Frame. You can see the clouds are in there. All right, now we'll finish out one more exercise and then I'd better close this out for the night. We're going to create a compound path on this one. We're going to get the selection tool and we're going to select the yellow eye polygon. We're going to go to Object on the menu bar, Arrange and Bring to Front. Then we're going to position the eye on top of the witch polygon as shown in figure 47, or you'll see on my screen in just a moment. You want to verify that the eye polygon is still selected. We're going to press Shift and then select the witch polygon as well. I don't know why they keep calling these polygons, but okay, I'll play along with it. Then we're going to go to Object on the menu bar. We're going to point to Paths, and then we're going to click Make Compound Path. And you'll see that as shown in figure 48, or mine on the screen, the eye polygon becomes a hole in which the witch polygon through which you can see the blue clouds graphic. We're going to select both the yellow circle and the star up in the upper right corner of the page. We're going to go to Object on the menu bar, going to go down to Paths, and we're going to make a compound path and then deselect all, and your page should resemble either mine on the screen or figure 49 in the textbook. And I'll be back sometime tomorrow to finish out these exercises. See you then.